当时阮心嘛会完这当初，不应该来后悔。水中花流不回。实在是亲像分过月，敢有相逢的机会？阮的情情可比一日的仙度，想要梦仔的愿袂着。
And then we have the special thanks of MKCMA2, HECS, Limbing, Webraza, Jack Sprays, Beach and
So you can see they have put a lot of effort with the support of the government to do more activities to draw more people down here. So this is also a very, very exciting time for the town centre. Why? Because we are transforming the town centre radically. In the last 1 year, you have to see we have been doing a lot in part of the town centre. We have made the whole place barrier-free. We have made this more like a garden in city. And then, immediately after Chinese New Year, this area that we're in is going to be transformed as well. We're going to build pop-up stores where we can bring more interesting startups, retail startups to come over here and to do new things, to try new things and keep this area youthful. And then in a few years' time, we will also upgrade the rest of the town centre. Now, why is this important? It's because Ang Mo Kio itself is transforming very, very quickly. You all probably know over that side there's the Central Reef that's coming up with a lot of new residents. My constituency is at the back over there, and we are also seeing a lot more new estates coming up. So Ang Mo Kio as we know it will retain the essence of what makes Ang Mo Kio beautiful and friendly, but at the same time we will also bring in new residents, and that means that our town centre will be evolving, more dynamic and more fun for all ages. So I hope to get all your support to make this and work with the MA, the Merchant Association will work very hard to make this the best town centre ever. Okay. 很有吸引力的发展，然后我们希望大家，尤其是我们这里的商店的店主和我们的居民，都可以齐心协力，跟我们的 Amy 把红帽桥做的是最好的一个市政，好不好 ？OK， 来等呢。OK， 这样我们现在就做那个亮灯仪式吧，啊。
我们现在做的是亮灯的仪式哈。是的，亮灯仪式我们有请我们的。 到现场一起来的这个是，你要进来了。我们的 advisor， 我们的 second advisor Mr. Chan， 还有我们的 CCMC chairman Mr. Tian， advisor secretary Mr. Ivan， 还有我们的 HECS 他们 enterprise center Singapore Mr. Lan Chen Yu， 对不对？还有我们的 AMA CNY，到这里了哈。
还有那个 honor 是我们的Building Group Broadway Plaza honor Miss Ang Mo Kio Executive Director。好的，欢迎再来是我们的 Adonis Miss Levine， 还有我们的 Jack Place Mr. Jason Honor COO， 还有我们的 Mrs. Cedric Song from Project Manager Plus Support。
是的 ，all these are the guest sponsor. Thank you so much. OK， 我们来进行我们的亮灯仪式，我们一起倒数好不好，我们的朋友们？
准备一下，给我 Q 是吗？等那个弟弟给我们 Q。
来，
好了吗？
Thank you, please, thank you. OK， 10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1，完了。 我们进来，对不对？还是你们的奖品已经拿过去了吗？是吗？我看一下。OK， 来，我们现在进行我们的 ceremony。OK， thank you, thank you for staying with us. And going to stay on the stage, please. Thank you, sir. 来，交给我们的。